Fucking ladies and gentlemen, squirrels and girls, welcome to another fucking adventure. Now I'm gonna give you a fucking quick tip. I remember the day I picked these up off the ground, saw them on the ground, didn't think nothing of them, put them in my little fucking thing, walked away for fucking 4 years. These babies just saved me today. We're gonna clean them up, and they're gonna be going right in the trans, allowing me to run lines from the trans to the cooler. Because as you can see, we got the same fucking spigot. Before, the spigot was too big on the trans. How you like that? Alrighty, so we laid a couple pieces of fiberglass down just to make that fucking not have such a... We had it pretty bang on, but I wanted it to kind of fucking look better than it was, so wait for that to dry and then we'll do another layer, I think. And from back here you can't even tell. Fucking mint. The back has to come up, but we'll get her driving first and we'll drive her to the spring shop and have them do it. Squirrels and girls, we are fucking back. Sorry for the not as frequent updates. I've been pipelining up north. This is my third season pipelining up north there. If you didn't know, that's what I do. I work on the pipeline. So when I'm not home, I'm up north. So we don't get as much time to work on the trucks. But anyways, we're putting in trans lines today and we might even get her moving. We got the cooler all hooked up. We got some white paint laid down. We fiberglassed the that seam, and we're gonna sand the shit out of her. We laid her on thick and she turned out nice. Let's get her going, boys. All right, so we got this sanded down real nice. Fucking had one blowout there, so we'll do another coat there. Must have been a little thin. I think a little bit of a blowout right there too, so we'll do another patch, let it sit, and then we'll do another sand. And we're gonna sand this side too. Let's get her going. All right, so this is looking minty, boys. I'm freaking loving this. Fucking old baby Ninny. How you liking the truck, pal? It gives lots of shade, eh? Fucking old baby Ninny. I'm just a baby. Yeah, we know you're just a baby. You like the truck? Yeah, I know. Baby Ninny loves the truck. Alright. So I'll keep you in the loop here. She obviously moved, so we didn't want to really cut too much of the carpet here for the hole, so we just literally cut a slit. Put the fucking hole through, and then that's about it. And then this will go over top of that, and then there you go. That's that. Got the shifter in, we just gotta fucking bolt her down here. Alrighty boys, so we are fucking getting her licked. She looks fantastic. We took her for a rip up and down the road like 5 times today. She needs an alignment real bad, but and we need some shocks. We don't got any shocks, so my fucking head was bouncing around in there. But we couldn't resist. We had to take her for a rip. Ran her through the gears. All 3 gears, bud. And she is looking fucking mint. She'll 100% be at fucking Mopar Fest. Gonna be minty, boys. We're gonna sand that last little bit, and then we'll fucking paint this whole